Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode, another video. And it's been a minute, but let me explain what's going on today. I've been gone for a couple of weeks. Been doing other things, family things, camping things, doing stuff with the family. So today we're going to discuss what I have been doing. Just got some new parts. So working on my camper too. Yeah, I got some issues with that going on my slide out. So I got these new clips I was telling everybody about. These track clips, track and guide clips. I've been installing them with this bolt cutter. I had to go to Hobo Freight and buy another one. It's almost everywhere. I tighten it down, I loosen it up, watch videos, and still nothing. So, but I did learn this from a gentleman on YouTube, and I want to say thank you. Shout out to them. And clips are from Tracks USA. Got those. I had 11, so I'm putting lazy blue marks here on my track, or where I'm putting them at. By the way, this is a 1 1/4 Predator made by Camoplast. So, what else I got going on? Just got the other day, thanks to the old mail service, got the share manifold for the Pro X. I'm gonna take my carbons back off again since I just fitted them up. I'm just gonna check a couple of things out real quick with them. I guess I should have done that earlier. I didn't. Need to find the fuel routing for it. Look back through some of my pictures and go from there and see where my routing's at. And by the way, I tried my hand at polishing, watching YouTube, of course. Back here, looks pretty shiny. This side I need to work on just a little bit more, but kind of burned my sticker out. And yeah. So let's see, and also I got my straps, my mounting straps for my motor. So now I can test fit her where she needs to go. Let's see. So really not too much other things going on. She's pretty close to track is pretty close to going in. So I mean, as soon as I get these other clips, I got 4 done last night, and it was a total of 11. So you do that math and let me know. So anyway, I just want to let everybody know what's going on. I got a how-to video probably coming up pretty soon. Besides other things going on right now. But yeah, she's coming closer to going in. Drive shaft, I got the bearing all set, so we're good on that. And like I said, she's close. So she is close. But anyway, that's my update, everybody. Sorry for being so late. I was going to update a couple days ago, but yeah, just the way things are going on in life lately. So everybody knows. So anyway, got any comments, questions? Subscribe. Don't hit the bell up in the corner. If you do, hit it hard. Everybody have a great day, and thanks for checking out my channel. Have a good one. Bye.